Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Fusion radio. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged. You'll need a few basic tools, including a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. For your safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical work. This prevents accidental shorts and protects your vehicle's electrical system. Next, we'll focus on removing the dashboard trim panels. Using a plastic trim removal tool, gently pry around the edges of the trim surrounding your radio. Work slowly and methodically to avoid breaking any clips or scratching the plastic. Once the trim is loose, you may find additional screws holding the radio in place, so be sure to remove those as well. With the trim panels out of the way, you can now access the radio unit itself. You'll typically find 4 mounting screws or bolts securing the radio to the dashboard. Carefully remove these fasteners. Once they are out, gently pull the radio unit forward, allowing enough space to reach behind it. Disconnect all the electrical connectors and the antenna cable by pressing their release tabs. Before you consider your task complete, take a moment to inspect the wiring and connectors for any signs of wear or damage. If you're installing a new radio, connect it now. When you're ready to reassemble, simply reverse the steps you followed. Ensure all trim pieces snap back into place securely and that all screws are tightened. Finally, reconnect your car's battery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.